Hello YouTubers, and welcome to a new video of Arepas for dinner. For the ones who don't know me, my name is Andrea and I make videos about my life in Czech Republic. And today is a very short video, but a funny one that is words in Czech that mean something completely different in Spanish, and I think you're gonna enjoy this video. If you speak both or if you only speak one, it's just very entertaining. And here we go. The first word is the word pan, that in Czech it means sir, and in Spanish it means bread. The second one, and my least favorite one, is the word pes, because pes in Czech means dog, but in Spanish means fish. The third one is very confusing because Czech people say no to mean aha or yeah, but in Spanish we say no to mean no. Then we all have issues with this word because in Czech they use the word ano to say yes, but in Spanish ano means ass. The word pero in Czech means pen, but in Spanish means but, like but instead of this, instead of that, but. So pero. Vino in Czech means grapes, but in Spanish vino, as you can imagine, only means the drink. The word pivo in Czech means beer, but pibón in Spanish would mean something like extremely good-looking woman. Zima in Czech means cold, but in Spanish would mean the top of the mountain. In Czech, the word obraz means a painting, and in Spanish it means obra, would mean something like construction. Postel in Czech means bed, but pastel in Spanish would mean cake. The word grasa in Czech means beautiful, but something very similar, grasa in Spanish would mean greasy. Zelena in Czech means green, but in Spanish it literally means the name of a very important artist. That's it. Now, to finish this video, some of the words that are the same and mean the same. Pantuflas, tobogán, semáforo, and weird enough, cómoda. So let me know if I missed any of the words, and pretty much that's it. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for new videos to come. Bye-bye!